Okay, so we're back in the platform. We have just upgraded our account to the premium tier, which is the middle of the 3 tiers that we offer. This tier is all about increasing access to community resources. So we ultimately want you to feel confident and comfortable using Play in your space of need. So that could be one-on-one coaching, it could be a group scenario, a retreat, it could be facilitation work. There is no shortage of ways that you can use Play. We want to unlock your creativity and your skill base to really make that shine. We have a community forum where people who have gone through our certification, who have joined this tier, can all go and share expertise and ask questions. We'll do some things to spark ideas from time to time and invite you to events to learn more. We've got meetings for my meeting calendars for myself and Alex, who is our CEO. Between the two of us, we have decades of experience with game design, game-based learning, facilitation strategies. We encourage you to use us however is deemed necessary or fulfilling for you. That could be bringing a game into your setting. It could be choosing the right game. It could be facilitation tips or questions that we've seen be effective in different spaces. So please book calendar meetings with us to our capacity, kind of first come, first serve basis. We also have ways that you can continue to co-build, co-create this platform with us. We want to hear games that you've used that aren't in our database that you think should be, because we think that that's a way that we can continue to build this community of practice, but it also gives you a way of exploring how we catalog games. And I think the experience of going through and doing that yourself can help you better understand the architecture of the different elements of a game and how other games show up. The main resource tool that you have at this level is called the pressure assessment. And it is a pulse assessment that gives you a reading of strengths and pressure points in the workplace. It can be really useful for picking the right kind of game for a space, avoiding the tripwires that you may not otherwise know. And we built it around our pressure matrix framework. So we've got some white papers that explain both the framework itself, but also some case studies around using an assessment to get at play-based learning and choosing different types of games and facilitation strategies. On the dashboard, what you'll find is a place where the reports come in. So as you send out this magic link to a team, the team will complete their survey and you'll get notified in this dashboard space. I created a couple of examples, one that I just created a second ago. It's called Test Team. It doesn't have any responses, but I can go in and I can get this assessment link. And here's the assessment link as it opens up. It's this magic link that you would share with anybody you want to complete this assessment. And you'll go through it. It's about 5 to 7 minutes. But when you're done, you'll come back and you'll see responses. So here's another one that I did a little while ago. You can view the report of this. It's got 7 responses in here. And the pressure reading is made up of a couple of different sections, but the main goal of this is to give you some insights about the team and how they're currently showing up. So we do some definitions just so that you're on the same page as what we're thinking about when we ask these questions in the survey. There's a heat map that gives you a visual description of where are some strengths, where are some pressure points on the team. We give you a frequency analysis of what kinds of statements people chose as they were going through this assessment. That may give you a little bit more of a nuanced view of what things you can focus on. And then we have some playlists, and the playlists are places where you can pick themes of games that might fit the moment. Think Spotify, but for games. This is a really great tool for you if you're trying to figure out or prove why a game in the game database works out. So you can leverage the information that you gleaned off of a report to say, go into a filter and say, you know what, I really need a game that helps us get at curiosity, and I want it to be a game that makes people think. and you can hit that and see, oh, here's 24 games I can go, and I can go play with what I feel makes the most sense. Or maybe I have a game that I know and I can really lean into that because I'm confident since I've played it before or I've seen it in space. So this is what you get in the premium tier. More community, one more really, really powerful tool in a pulse assessment. And if you're looking for that extra training, really understand how to use all these tools, we would encourage you to move up to that last tier of Pro, which I will explain in the next video.